Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Snowflake with OAuth for BI tools, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Snowflake account. Navigate to the Snowflake web interface. Select the Account tab from the menu. Click on Users to view the list of users in your account. Choose the user for whom you want to enable OAuth access. Scroll down to the OAuth section. Click on the Add OAuth Client button. Enter a name for your OAuth client. Specify the client ID and client secret for the application. Set the redirect URL to where the user will be sent after authentication. Select the appropriate scope for your OAuth client. Click on the Create button to save the OAuth client configuration. Next, move to your BI Tools OAuth settings. Input the client ID and client secret you just created. Enter the redirect URL that you previously defined. Select the necessary scopes that your BI tool requires. Initiate the OAuth authentication process from your BI tool. Authorize the connection using your Snowflake credentials. Once approved, your BI tool will receive an access token. Store this token securely for future use. Return to your BI tool and test the connection to Snowflake. If everything is configured correctly, data should now flow seamlessly. Finally, monitor the connection for any authorization errors or issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.